We spoke with an educator who says that this town hall is meant to be educational as well as a public service to the community.
This town hall is meant to give you, the people, the chance to hear from and engage with Mayor Rossi on the most pressing issues the West Haven community faces.
In an act of attempting to be more transparent, Mayor Nancy Rossi took on questions from the West Haven community. The virtual town hall was set up with multiple rounds of pre-submitted questions and from the audience. The number one topic, the city's response to COVID-19.
Mrs. Mayor, how would you assess your administration's response to the COVID-19 pandemic?
Our response obviously wasn't perfect. This is a pandemic, one that we haven't seen in 100 years, and hopefully it's 500 years before anybody sees one again. But that being said, I think West Haven rose for the challenges. We're doing our best.
Another controversial topic was that of an incident that occurred this past summer. Protesters were seen on video being confronted by police with dogs and arrested after a woman drove through a crowd of marchers. Months later, the mayor now publicly discussing the issue.
I am trying my best I want to make changes, but we do realize nothing is perfect in West Haven. We have some work to do, and the only way we're going to get it done is to work together and make change.
In her speech, the mayor noted her commission of a 7-member community alliance aimed at addressing these types of issues. Even with this answer, people still had more questions.
I was wondering if we have a statement now or we will ever be getting a statement on this issue.
I don't believe anybody should run anybody down, whether it's a protester, whether it's a pedestrian, whatever, intentional, unintentional. You have to be very careful with a vehicle. To me, a vehicle is a lethal weapon.
More topics were discussed, from economic development to blight issues to construction. Looking to next year, Mayor Rossi says her community can look forward to new growth after the pandemic.
Well, the projects we planned is, as I said, the conference center is one of them. I know that we do have a lot of different things going on. We do want to follow through with the Havens. I know that that has been asked a lot, and we are planning on marketing our city and doing our best to bring as much economic development in here as possible.
Going forward, you may hear from a West Haven Community Alliance who says that they'll be advocating for racism as a public health crisis here in the city of West Haven. And that's where we're reporting from. I'm Ryan Ditlick for Fox 61 News.